Now in this video we are checking what is unit system. Okay, so unit system means whenever you are working on any project, so the client they will give the exact unit, what is the size of banner or what is the size of object and everything. So in order to control that, you have something here. What you can do, you can select the object, and if you click N, you can see the item here. So if you click that, you can see the dimension. So it is showing 2 meter. So basically this object has 2 meter width and height, okay, and even the depth. So in order to change this unit system, right now it is in meter. What you can do, you can go to scenes and there is something called as units. Okay, now if you see, the unit system is in metric and we have one more option called as imperial. So normally we are using metric is itself. So you can see for rotation we are using degree, and for length meter, and for mass kilogram, seconds and Kelvin. So normally we will use the same itself. So while working for the dimension, only the thing which differs is like the length. Okay, now you can see it is meter. So if you want, you can keep it in centimeter. At that time you can see it is changed according to that. So it is 200 centimeter. So if you are working on smaller scenes, at that time you might have to keep it in millimeter or micrometer. So if you keep it in millimeter, you can see it is 200 millimeter. So what I will do, I will select everything and I will keep it 2. So at that time it is very smaller. See, it is very smaller, and if I zoom in, you cannot see the grids and all, right? So if you want to get that grid, then you can go to overlay. So you have the grid scale that you can lower it. Okay, so if you are lowering it, so at that time you can get the grids here. And there is one more thing, if you zoom in too much, then you can see it is getting clipped, right? So in order to overcome this issue, there is something on weave. So you can see the clip start. So that is also you can control it. So if I keep 1 millimeter, then you can see you can easily zoom in and zoom out in smaller cases and everything. Okay.